guys, what are we gonna do today? Well, I gave you a little clue on my Facebook. We are going to be working with more paper dolls, and we're gonna do Raggedy Anns today. I decided to do these three and show you these. These were actual doll patterns that I had done several years ago, probably like 25 years ago. And I turned them into paper dolls and greeting cards. And I thought this would be a fun project that you could just photocopy off, cut out, put together. And it's such a great way to give someone a wonderful gift for Valentine's Day, because that's what Raggedy Ann reminds me of. So let's get started. Okay, so here are the three templates that I'm gonna have available, and they're linked in the description below the video. So you can click on those and get to the templates and print them out. So after you're done printing them out, you're going to cut out all of your little pieces. And right here you can see, if you can see, I've cut out all the little pieces for this little girl right here, and that's who we're gonna get started with. So after you have your pieces cut out, the next thing you're gonna need to do is make little holes in your pieces, and we're going to joint them together with little brads, and you can use whatever color brads you want. I know I made the holes awful close, so you might want to go down a little bit because some of the brads I was using were a little bigger and it was ripping my paper. So like when I do that, then I'm going to make two little holes down in here. There's one, here's one. And if it needs to be a little bigger, then you can get a larger blunt needle after you've done that hole. Here's my leg. Push it in, open that up. Let me show you how to do the arms, because there are several joints. Same thing, go a little further from where I have my hole. And really, it'd probably be faster if you made all your holes first and then just went through and put her together. Okay, this is where the fun part comes in. Now you get to decorate her and decide what you would like to do. So what I did is when I cut her dress out, then you're gonna slit up the back and make an opening for her head, and it might be a little tight, but it's okay. Now you can decide right now, would you like to machine stitch across some of these? On the doll I had, I added white brads and drew little lines to make it look like buttons. Maybe add some real buttons, do more stitching, but you can do whatever you would like with her. I'm just gonna put this on her right now, and you're gonna go around her head, and see if we can get this in here. Make sure we got her all the way in. Can move her arms out, and then we're going to work on the heart. So I'm just going to sand my heart just a little bit more, but you don't need to. It's already a little distressed. And you could even put some antiquing or something on it if you'd like. I'm just going to add a word. So I have all of these little rub-on transfer words, and I'm just going to put the word love on here. Just rub this on real quick. There we go, it's on here. And I'm gonna make her 3D, so I'm gonna put this right here. Since I want my heart to go in the pocket, I'm just gonna make a little slit. Okay, if I was smart, I probably would have brought my X-Acto in and done this first. So you're just gonna make just a little slit like that. And I'm gonna have this go in the pocket. And I'm gonna use some pop dots. Give it a little dimension here. And these are just pop-up foam squares. One here for the heart. Stick the heart back in the pocket. And put it over where her heart is. You wouldn't even necessarily have to do this. I just really like the 3D look of this. And then what I'm gonna do is to keep my dress kind of in place, I'm gonna put just a couple pop dots on the back of her body here. And you don't need to, but I just don't like it flopping a lot around. So it's not stuck to her body, but it's not moving around everywhere. Let's maybe do that to the front. Let's make sure we got it lined up, move our arms. And you can see on her what I did is I took lots of little white brads and I made little holes where the brads were here, and I just drew little lines to give her a little more dimension. And I also took some string and just made some holes and did shoelaces on there. You don't need to do that, but it's another fun touch you could do. And of course I had to add more blush to her because I actually used dark wax on her and she came out a lot darker. So it depends on the look you want. But there you go. Now, if you like this video, make sure that you like and subscribe to the page. And don't forget, the templates are linked below so you can print off as many as you want. Have fun.